welcome back to Hello Crafty Kids, and my name is Sophia.
And I'm Delilah, and today we're going to show you how to make these super cool Harry Potter tie t-shirts.
Yours is really pretty.
Thank you, so is yours.
Plus, we're going to show you some behind the scenes of us at Universal Studios Hollywood! This is a beginner's sewing project, and it's super easy to do. My mom is going to walk you through the whole tutorial. Bippity boppity boo!
Hi everybody, it's Kathy, Delilah and Sophia's mom. Let's talk about what you're going to need to make this project. First, you're going to start with a t-shirt. I like to have a pre-washed t-shirt and pre-washed Harry Potter fabric. I'm going to use some scrap paper, a pencil, scissors, fusible webbing from the craft store, a needle and thread, or a sewing machine. First, you're going to sketch out a basic tie shape on scrap paper. I did a long portion for the tie and then a little small piece to be the knot of the tie. Next, you'll iron on the fusible webbing to the back of your fabric. Just follow the instructions on the package for the brand that you use. Then you'll just sketch your two tie pieces onto the paper side on the back of the fabric. Find the center of your t-shirt by folding it in half lengthwise and then press a little seam into that center seam. Cut out your tie shapes, then peel off the paper backing to reveal the fusible webbing. Center the long tie piece over the ironed crease center line on the t-shirt and iron it into place. Make sure you use the temperature that's recommended on the package. Layer the small knot piece over the tie and then iron it into position also. Complete your look by sewing around the edge, either hand stitch or use a machine. You can do a straight stitch or you can do a zigzag stitch. Over the years, we've had a blast at Universal Studios Hollywood, and the wizarding world of Harry Potter is definitely one of our favorite places to visit.
And that's how you make these super fun Harry Potter tie t-shirts. So bye friends, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and we'll see you next time. Bippity boppity boo!